Hey guys, Mark Blim from Blim Tool Company here. Got a new tool I want to show you guys today. It's a 3/8 diameter, 26-inch long shaved hook tool. This is a high carbon spring steel tool. Features our adjustable handle. This handle has 28 different positions. Just to find that sweet spot when you're going down through the door, just wherever you need to get to be comfortable. This tool is shaved a little over halfway back. It has plenty of drive, beveled on the edges to keep from raising those high spots. I've got kind of a semi-sharp tip on this one. If you want a super sharp tip or anything like that, just give us a call. We can definitely do that for you. Great for going down through the doors, through the window. General access tool. Just good tool. I'll link the part number in the description, or you can give us a call anytime. Thanks for watching.